What about the different colored characters we saw in Format C card? These are created from the command mode of the generator. If you press Function key 2, you get the command menu. And we're interested in video, so I'm going to select item B. And we see that Unibase can even create its own legacies. These terms came about when monitors only had 2 colors. Unibase lets you display fields to your operators, normally, highlighted, underlined, blinking, and in reverse video. Default referred to the attribute for the tag and the attribute for the field. On a color monitor, highlight will give you red characters, underline gives you blue, and blinking gives you green. If you choose one of these first 5 items, it is effective only for the first item you key. Like insert mode, it changes back to the default when you key something other than a character key. Let's try creating a tag in red characters by choosing B for highlight. When I select B by pressing field release, the command mode menu disappears. The next thing I key should appear in red letters. And it does. Now let's try default. Function key 2, B for video. We're going to select F. When I do, I'm going to be prompted for 2 choices, one for the tag attributes and one for the field attributes. These attributes remain for the rest of the fields I key on the screen, unless I change them again. Let's use the attributes we haven't tried yet. We'll make the tag default underline and the field default blink. Our next field will have a blue tag and a green data area, and so will the one after that. So why didn't DMAC label the attributes with their colors? Because the colors could be different if you change Unibase's default colors with the environment variable UBCL. But you get to research that one on your own if you like. The possibilities are endless. It gets even more interesting when your keyers discover they can change colors temporarily if they're in the 32-bit version. They click on Options, then choose Colors. And by changing the background and foreground colors for the 5 attributes Unibase recognizes, they'll get a different screen. For example, let's change the background on the normal attribute to light magenta. Oof! I find colors are fun to play with for about an hour. Then it's easier just to leave the default colors. They were chosen for ergonomic reasons, so it's hard to improve on them. Fortunately, it takes a lot more knowledge to retain non-default colors on a permanent basis, so this eyesore is gone in short order. Are you likely to change colors on a record format? Perhaps once in a while, to emphasize something of particular importance for the operator.